Okay, let's learn about the biconditional. Please take these notes on the lower right-hand side of your notes where we reserved a blank space. Now you're going to be writing in what a biconditional is using your own words, but first I'm going to show you an example of what a biconditional is by showing you a conditional and a converse statement, and we're going to examine them and see what you think. Okay, the conditional statement we're going to look at is if a polygon has three sides, then it is what's a three-sided polygon called? It's a triangle. That makes sense. This is a true statement, right? If a polygon has three sides, it's obviously a triangle. Now remember, the converse of a statement is when we move the conclusion and the hypothesis and they switch spaces. Okay, so let's write the converse. If a polygon is a triangle, then it has how many sides? Three sides. Oops, sides. Okay. Now, when we were learning about converses, I showed you an example about a bat, and we were able to prove that the converse of the conditional statement that I gave you was false. By looking at a diagram kind of like this, I'm going to move Slinky in here. We looked at a diagram like this. We said, okay, in our example said it, the animal that can fly, we wrote a bat was one of those. In this converse statement, it says a polygon is a triangle, so that's our P. Is there any other option of a triangle having three sides? Is there any other option besides that that would prove that this converse is actually false? Think about it. No, there isn't, right? There's only one way to make a triangle, and it's with three sides. So now comes your part where you're going to be writing in this biconditional. Now, I'm not going to write down what this definition is, but I'm going to give you kind of an idea of what a biconditional is. So, this conditional is if P, then Q. And this converse is if Q, then P. And what we were able to show in both cases is that the conditional and the converse were both true. If both the conditional and the converse are true, then you have a biconditional. It means a polygon is a triangle if and only if it has three sides. That means that it works both ways. So a biconditional happens when the conditional and the converse are both true. Okay, now I'd like you to write in whatever you think is most important for your definition of biconditional right here.